Today, we will study an introduction to law. This lecture will help you understand what law is and why it is important for society and for legal education. Law and legal systems is a foundational subject. It develops legal thinking and analytical skills. This subject explains how laws are made, how legal institutions work, and how law regulates society. It is the base for all future law subjects. Law is a set of rules made by the state. These rules are recognized and enforced by authority. Law regulates human conduct and maintains peace and order in society. Without law, society cannot function properly. We study law to understand our rights and duties. Law helps in achieving justice, regulating social behavior, and controlling misuse of power. For law students, it is essential to understand law as a system. Different jurists have defined law differently. According to Salmond, law is the body of principles recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. Austin defines law as the command of the sovereign, backed by sanction. Holland defines law as a general rule of external human conduct, enforced by political authority. Law regulates human conduct. It is enforced by the state and applies equally to all persons. Law controls external behavior, and violation of law leads to punishment. Law and morality are different. Law is enforced by the state, and violation leads to legal punishment. Morality is enforced by conscience and has no legal punishment. However, law and morality often overlap. For example, lying is immoral but not always illegal. Theft is both immoral and illegal, and is punishable by law. These examples help us understand the difference between law and morality. Law maintains peace and order in society. It protects fundamental rights, ensures justice, and regulates social behavior. A civilized society depends on law. To conclude, today we discussed the meaning of law, definitions of law, nature of law, and the difference between law and morality. In the next lecture, we will study the functions and classification of law. Thank you.